Hi, this is Sean Brown with the Department of Innovation and Learner Engagement, and today we're going to go over how to publish your Google site. To do that, we click on Publish on the top right-hand side, and in order to make this website viewable to everybody, including outside people from the school district, we can click on Manage right here, and we click on Links, we click on Change underneath Links. And we want to make this option right here, Publish Site. We want to change this from Riverside Unified School District to Public, and then click Done. After that, as long as we're good with the website address of our site, we can click Publish. And it's now out there on the internet. To view your published site, you can click the drop down right here, and then click on View Published Site, and it will take you to the site that you just published. Now, also, if you're sharing documents or from your Google site, you're going to have to change your sharing options for that document as well. So I have a sample document right here, and when I share this document, under Get Link, I want to click Change, and I want to make sure that this option right here says anyone with the link. By default, I believe it's going to be Riverside Unified School District, like this. But yes, we want to make sure that we change this to anyone with the link, and then we can copy that link and click Done. Now we can place that link in our Google site if we needed to, and everyone would have access to it.